What if you could access TikTok, your wallet, messaging, and gaming from one application? Well, that future is now with the Base app. The Base app is not just a clunky old crypto wallet. It is your everything app. So get ready to transact, earn, create, and share all in one application. Let's dive in. First, click on the Base app to open it. This takes you to your homepage. Explore mini apps, see your messages, buy, trade, request, and send crypto, and even chat with AI agents. This page is really your launch page. The next tab is your social feed. You can scroll for a traditional Twitter-like experience or click the pencil button in the bottom right to post, or click on videos to see what videos people are posting, more like a TikTok or Reels experience.
Today,
we'll go over more ways to create here in a later demo. The tab with the two arrows is the Transact tab. You can trade, send, or request money from this tab. The tab with the bubble icon is your messaging tab. Find direct messages or group messages here. The bell tab is a classic notifications tab. And finally, the wallet tab is your wallet. You can buy by clicking on buy, trade by clicking on trade, send by clicking on send, and request crypto in this tab as well. You can click on the four little squares in the top right to find your QR code. Under the QR code, you can copy your address and now send it to somebody else. And if you click scan, you can scan an app's QR code or someone else's QR code to send them money. If I click on my icon next to the word home, a logistics page is pulled up. Here, I can view my profile, give feedback, select a theme, or go to settings. When I select settings, I can adjust the settings of my wallet. At the bottom here, you'll see base mode. If you are on base mode, you get access to this rich application. If you toggle that off, you'll get the more traditional Coinbase Wallet experience. And that is a quick overview of each tab in the Base app. Stay tuned for more demos on how to use the Base app by following us here at SheFi.org.